That's what he's been rocking on a lot of the trips. Geez, how long have you had that? A couple years now, maybe. And it says Smokey right on the front. Bam, bam, bam. That's what I'm talking about. Smokey. What up, Colorado Ken here. We're taking a hike, me and Birdy. Birdy came and picked me up. It's Friday. Right now it's like getting on to 4:30, 5 o'clock at night. And we're gonna take a big long hike over the weekend. Here are Birdy's dogs and one of them puked all over in the back seat. It's gnarly. This is where you register. So this is what people do when they go on a hike. You register at one of these boxes. They leave pens for you. And you write in the date. We're into August. We have 2 people and 3 dogs. Yeah! And we're off. It's gonna be awesome. Hiking next to this cool cliff on my left. And then on the right, wicked drop off for 1,000,000 feet. Heading down that way. We're making some time on the trail. Got Birdy behind me. He's making his way. But this is a cool cliff, huh? It's pretty dope. Beautiful night. There's a forest fire somewhere out there. It's pretty smoky. Got a little bit of a haze and it feels kind of musty outside. It's hot today. That's the trail we're hiking on right there. Look at this snake. It's gigantic. Actually, this is a teeny little snake that Birdy found. Look at how small it is. Like, that's my finger. Oh, it almost bit me. I'm pretty much loving this hike. Wicked cool. It's getting a little bit late. We're looking for a camp spot close to the river somewhere. We found a camp spot. Woo! Woo! This is a pretty sweet little spot too. And right over here is the river for us to get water. Coming down to procure some water. This is my bag that I use. It's a platypus 3-liter bag. We've made camp for the first night.
Peanut butter and bacon sandwiches.